As I started to repair my Gnome rocket, this is the rocket that lost the streamer yesterday, and I think I have a better understanding of why the streamer tore off at this point in time, but it didn't happen before. The reason is I did make a change in this last flight. Actually, what I did is I had moved the streamer from this position here, which is close to the ejection blanket, but instead I had actually moved it right here close to the rocket body itself. I just wanted to see what would happen, and I think we saw what happened. When the ejection charge went off, the blanket was moving outward, and the streamer is still in it. So the streamer is probably still held here, but this was very close to the rocket, so it immediately pulled on the streamer, and it didn't get any time to slow down. So here's the rest of the cord. There's about a 4 to 5 foot cord within the actual Gnome rocket. So I think it was just it was an interesting experiment, but I think as a design, it did not work. So I'm not going to do this. I'm going to remove this loop. This is just an overhand loop that I tied. I can easily untie it. And I'm going to put the streamer here, back where it belongs. So this way, when the ejection charge takes place, we've got this nice cord that's going to unwind itself. And then we've got the streamer and the blanket together, which will just open up, and we should hopefully not get too much of a stress point on the actual streamer itself. In addition, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this small tape, which is about a 1/2 inch wide. Typically, I have used this 1 inch wide for these small rockets, but this Gnome rocket is really, really small. And another change I'm going to do is to put the streamer in this thin one, which is a 1/2 inch. But also, being thinner, it will wind about maybe closer to about 12 feet or so, rather than the 8 feet that this other one will wind. So I'm going to try it again, see what happens. I do not use the toothpick mounting method, which would be definitely stronger, and so far has not failed this way. But the reason I don't use it is this body is just very, very small. Look at this, it's only a 1/2 inch wide, so just not much space. And the toothpick just takes up too much space for this particular size rocket. So, okay, that's it. I'm pretty sure the engineering failure has been noticed, and I'm going to move the streamer from being located close to the body to back to where it was, which is being located back to the nose cone, so that it will have time to unwind and slow down while this cord is pulled out of the rocket. Okay, so let me try that, and we'll see what happens in a few weeks.